Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow meeting participants to send direct messages to each other on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings in the Personal section on the left side. Go to the top and tap on Meeting. Then scroll down to the In Meeting Basic section. Here you can see it. And find this private chat feature, allowing participants to send direct messages to each other and allow webinar panelists to send direct messages to other panelists. So tap on this button and click on Enable. And as you can see, your setting has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.